Hi, my sweethearts. How are we? I hope you're all happy because I'm always happy. So I want you to please always be happy. So I saw your comments about the story and not good. And it was great. I'm happy. I wasn't able to go through all the comments, but it's fine. It's totally cool. So we're just going to continue from our last video, and we're just going to comment from 26th, from number 26. I know you're looking forward to another story, but I'll tell you not now, okay? I can't seem to think of anything new, but I promise to tell you a story, okay? But then in this video, I'm sorry, my bad, but I'm going to tell you a wonderful one in the next video. I promise. You're going to love it. At least I think you're going to love it. Okay, so our 26th question. Still picking the odd one out. We have ugly, looking beautiful, good, and nice. Which is the odd one out? What is the odd one out? Let's see. So the options are all adjectives except looking, which is a verb. Now you know ugly, beautiful, nice are all adjectives which qualify noun. We have ugly, looking, okay, now ugly, beautiful, good, and nice are all adjectives which are used to qualify nouns. Remember, adjectives qualify nouns. So they're all adjectives except from looking, which is an act. And remember what verbs are? Action words. So looking is an action word and it is a verb. So that is the odd one out. So we have option B, looking, as the odd one out. So our 27th question, we have solid, water, milk, petrol, and liquid, which is out, or which should be out. So the options are all names of matter in liquid form. That's water. Water is in liquid form. Milk is in liquid form. Petrol is in liquid form. And of course, liquid is liquid, right? So the odd one out is solid. Okay, milk is generally regarded as being in liquid form, at least at the natural state. I'm sure we all know about the powdered milk, of course, but milk is assumed in the liquid form because in its natural state, when it's directly gotten from the cow, it is in its liquid form. So that's why milk will be part of the liquid form matter. Except from solid. So solid is the odd one out, and we have option A, solid as the odd one out. Our 20th question, we have shop, hospital, doctor, patient, and nurse, which is the odd one out. Now all the options are related to hospital. The doctor, the nurse all work at the hospital, and of course the patient is always found in the hospital. So they're all related to the hospital except from shop. So odd one out is shop, option A. Option A, shop. Our 29th question. Okay, I'm gonna overlook that. I wouldn't say it. I won't say it, I promise, I won't say it. I won't ask you to like or comment. Because I just said it. So don't forget to like our comment, okay? We look forward to you liking and commenting. Alright, so here we have it. Our option A, shop, as the odd one out. So I said I wasn't going to say like or comment. Why does this just keep popping up? Really, honestly, I keep saying that I'm not going to ask them to like or comment or share or subscribe, but then it keeps popping up. I don't know, I can't help it. Not my fault. I promise it's not my fault. Okay, so our 29th question. We have head, leg, eye, tall, and neck, which is the odd one out. Now, all the options, as I assume we all know, are names of the part of the body, except tall, which is an adjective. So tall is an adjective used to qualify a noun or a pronoun. So the odd one out is tall. Your head, your leg, your eye, and your neck are all parts of your body, except from tall. Okay, so our 30th question. Football, table tennis, volleyball, basketball, and running. which is the odd one out. Let's see. So all the options are names of sports, including I'm sorry you had to deal with that. I don't know, there are so many vehicles everywhere. I don't know what's happening. There's just so many vehicles everywhere. But like everywhere, they don't let you breathe. Even when you're sleeping, you hear a car horn, you hear the honking of a car, you hear it like, oh, it's annoying. What can we do with that, I guess? It's like the major means of transportation, so we can't do without them. I guess we just have to deal with them. So please bear with me. I'm hoping that I'm hoping that we get to hear the sound of a car or any vehicle before the end of the video. Oh my god, is that another one? I can hear another one. Oh no. Do bear with me, please. Okay, so yeah, the options are all names of sports involving the use of a ball, except from running. So we don't need a ball when we're just running. You need a ball when you're playing football. A table tennis requires a ball. The volleyball, of course, requires a ball, and the basketball requires a ball. But running does not require a ball. You just need to run. You just need to use your physical strength, and you just need to run. Okay? Of course, apart from the marathon races, where you need to have strength for, it's not part of it. So we're just talking about running, like the ordinary running. So we have running as the odd one out. Okay, so that's it. We have come to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. As usual, I do. So I promised you a story earlier, and please, I look forward to you listening to my story in the next video. It's gonna be great, or I think it's gonna be great. But whichever ways, I want you to please listen to it. I want you to learn with me in our next video. Oh my god, that's a car honk. You see what I keep saying? These vehicles are everywhere. They're everywhere. We can't seem to escape from them. I'm so sorry, okay? So I don't want you to hear it anymore. So I'm just going to say bye.